What's up, my name is Ruben. Today I'm going to walk you through how to play Nakupenda, Alikiba. As always, if you have a song that you don't want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learned from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. Well, this song is in the key of C. The progression is 6, 5, 1, 4. So the 6 is an A minor chord, the 5 is G chord, the 1 is a C chord, and the 4 is an F chord. So A minor, this is just the normal open A minor chord, where I'm using my pointer finger on the first fret, string number 2, my middle finger playing string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 3 on the second fret. That's A minor chord. The chord that follows is a G chord. So G chord, small finger is playing string number 1 on the third fret, middle finger playing string number 5 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 6 on the third fret. That's G major chord. The chord that follows is the C chord. So my pointer finger is playing string number 2 on the first fret, my middle finger playing string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 5 on the third fret. So that's C chord, open chord. And finally the F chord. So this F chord, I am using my pointer finger to bar string 1 and 2 on the first fret, my middle finger playing string number 3 on the second fret, ring finger playing string number 5 on the third fret, and my small finger playing string number 4 on the third fret. That's F chord. You can lose the small finger and replace string number 4 with your ring finger if you're used to that G, if you're used to this F chord. So 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 4. So the strumming that I'm using, I am actually strumming, and at the same time I am, like slapping string number 6. So how you do that is that you use your thumb, this part of the thumb, this fleshy part of the thumb, to kind of slap the 6th string. Yeah. So you once you play the chord, so F. So it's I'm doing like one strum, then before I jump to the other chord, so if you don't like that slap thing, you can just play, you can just strum. And also you can also add these other bar chords. This is an A minor, G, C, F. So that's how you gotta play this song. It's a simple song, and I hope I was clear enough. If I wasn't clear, you can just let me know in the comment area, and I will, revise on the next tutorial.